Another fun effect to play with is the extrusion function, so you can create things that look like dioramas in space. You can create these at any scale you want, but sometimes it's fun to make them small so that it really appears to be a diorama. I have a simple 2D scene here with a foreground, a midground, and a background. In the background I have the clouds, in the midground I have some hills, in the foreground I have some grass. This scene hasn't been dimensionalized yet. Let me show you how that looks by using our Rotate Page widget at the top. You can see that it's basically like a flat Photoshop file with 3 layers. Let's zero out that property. Now we'll show you what the Extrude button does. On the layer that contains those 3 layers, hit Extrude. There's a bunch of properties, but we'll just keep this simple for now. Let's say Auto Extrude Children, and we already have a back, which is the sky layer, so we're not going to use that. And then the layer separation, we'll just use 200, and that sets the amount of space in the depth direction between the layers. It also adds some sides, a top, and a bottom. Let's make the focal length a little bit bigger, so we don't get as much distortion. If we use the Rotate Page widget, you'll see what that did. It's a pretty dramatic effect. If you look at this in space, it's really kind of cool, either in mixed reality or in virtual reality. It's an interesting effect to play with for storytelling in space, and if you have a device that gives you 6 degrees of freedom, you can walk all around this, and it really appears to be a diorama in space.